There is a sound in the ocean so mysterious that scientists still don't fully know what caused it. It's called the bloop. In 1997, underwater microphones picked up an extremely loud sound deep in the Pacific Ocean. It was louder than any known animal. Some people believed it came from a massive sea creature hidden in the depths. Others thought it could be something even stranger.